Hi, today we will design a clay and cookie cutter from your own graphics, from your own image in Blender. We'll make it in a circle and we will import an image, a free image from the internet later on. Okay, so we start with scene properties here. We go to units, we change it to 0.001 and length millimeters. We clicked Shift and A and we create curve and we choose NURBS circle. Go here, we put radius 13 millimeters. Can zoom out a little bit. Right click and you convert it to mesh. Then we clicked Shift and D. We make a copy of a circle. You click it. You can click N and S for scale, and here we can make it smaller. Let's make it 24 millimeters and 24 millimeters here. Okay, now we click this one and holding Shift, we click this one, right click on the mouse and join. So here they are like together. Then we go to edit mode, and by holding Alt and Shift, we click on this one and we click the inner one. Then we go to edge and we bridge edge loops. Perfect. And then we click E for extrude. We go up and here on Z we go to 2 millimeters.
Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
Okay, then we go back to object mode again. We can hide this one. And again, we repeat it. Shift and A, curve, NURBS circle. It's 13 millimeters. Let's make it 23.4 and 23.4 millimeters. Okay, again, we convert it to mesh. Yes, then we duplicate it. Shift and D. We click escape and let's make it again 24 millimeters and 24 millimeters here. Okay, then you have to click Shift, so you click both of them, right click on the mouse, join. We go to the edit mode again. We click this one and by holding Shift and Alt you click on the second one and this one. Okay, so in the inner one and the outer one, and you click edge, bridge edge. Yes, you click E for extrude, you go up, and here in the menu we will change it to 10 millimeters. Perfect. We go back to object mode. Now you can make it so this visible as well. Okay, we need, this is the for the holding, this is the support for the blade, and now we need the blade. So let's hide those two again. Again, Shift and A, the same combination, curve, NURBS circle, and here is 26 millimeters dimensions. So you have to change it. 23 millimeters and 23. Okay, and Shift and D. Again, a copy, escape, and let's make it 23.4 and 23.4. Perfect. Then we, yes. I forgot to convert it to mesh, so let's do it now. This one and this one. Great. Click both of them by holding Shift, right click on the mouse, join. Let's go to the edit mode. by holding Shift, Alt, we click this one, and the outer one, we go to face, to edge, and we bridge edge loops. Perfect. We click E for extrude, we go up, and on Z, let's go with 14 millimeters. And we go back to object mode. Now we can make it all pre-visible. So this is the base of our cutter. We need to have the support on the bottom of it. Let's go to the Z here. It will be better to look from the top view. Shift and A. We have mesh. Let's go with plane. Let's make it 20, I don't know, 6 maybe. We will scale it. Very good. So now when we have this plane clicked, we go with S for scale, so we could make it smaller. You can press S, then you can press Y, and we will make it smaller, something like this. And again S, and you can press X, and we can do it like this, so that this holder doesn't get out from the circle. So we have it like this. Then we can duplicate it. This should be clicked. So Shift and D. We have a copy, R, and we rotate it like here, minus 90 degrees. Press Enter, click, and this is the base of our cutter. I think that on this point, it's really worth saving this file, because you can treat it as a base for many cutters. So now what we would like to import a free image, and we want to make a nice stamp for it. So let's choose an image from this website. I found this freepik.com. I entered flower shape. I chose black as a color because it would be much easier to convert it in Blender, and free license type. So I downloaded this one and saved it on the computer. So we will choose one of the images from this file. When you click it, be sure to download it in SVG format. It's here. Okay, so let's go back to Blender. We go to File, go Import, Scalable Vector Graphics. Now, when you don't see it, very often you can see it because it's small after importing. Maybe you can try to hide all this stuff, zoom in, and you can see it's just here. Yes. Okay, so I press A, I press S for scale. Let's make it bigger. Okay, very often when you download the SVG files like this from internet, the background, so you have to click it, not the shapes, but click here, press delete, and now you have all the shapes. So maybe let's choose this one. We go Shift and D, we'll duplicate it. Let's go here, and we can delete the rest, and our shape, our curve is here. We can convert it to mesh. Perfect. Go click the Z. Press Ctrl and A and rotation and scale. Then you press S for scale. Make it bigger. So you press. Or you can change the dimensions here, but for now we can make it something like this. And with G we can move it a little bit here, and we click our cutter visible. Yeah, it's here. Okay, press Z again. When you have this selected, press G, go here, and we see that the image is too small, so S for scale. Let's make it, let's make it bigger. G again. Now it's too big, so S for scale, G. You can make it to your own preferences. I think it looks okay now, so click. That's good. Right click, set origin to geometry, and then location 0, 0, and 0. So it's perfect in the middle. Control and A, rotation and scale, it's important. Then you go to edit mode. You press E, and we go up. Here we put 12.5 millimeters, enter. Perfect. Yes, it worked very good. Our job is done here, so you mark all this stuff, but in the object mode. You can press join, and you can export it to STL file. And here's how it looks in the Ultimate Kira. It looks like this. And now we will try it out in the print and see the result. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.